All right. I want everybody to take a look at my latest, OBS truck. Everybody see it. I was shining the tonneau cover up on it. So to make sure the camera was still on. I'm bad for. Anyway, this is hot rod black with a really fine red metal flake in it. Pretty sweet little truck. Original with the exception of, like dual exhaust. I'm gonna fix all this, and actually another toy to trade with. I'll give everybody a look at it. Some new seat covers ordered. I'm gonna lower it a little bit, keep it. This is truck number 6. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do. Pretty sweet little truck. Not very loud, got duals, but no good cold AC. Do a little bit of work to it here. I'm gonna probably leave this stuff wood, but I'm gonna stain it a little better, clean it up some. I haven't done anything to it yet much. So anyway, let me go back here. Just ordered some exhaust tips from Summit. So now, looking at my so-called collection, everyone, we'll start out here with old blue, 1967. Then we go to 1983, 1988, first year of that body style, first year of this body style, kind of mid-year of this body style. This one would have came out in 73, following that body style. And new body style, they call it, 99. So from this body style then to this. So from that to this to this. And then anyway, short video. Just got this in. Want to finish it up with some little touch-ups and do things. Really got nice hot rod. If you like hot rod black, it's really nice paint job for what it is. I ordered. I'll have a tailgate emblem going on. Some people like it, leave it black. I'm gonna do a Chevy on that, and I'm gonna do some pinstriping like here, and I'll decide when I hear. But anyway, maybe here, maybe around the door, a little bit. I gotta break this up. It's just too black, and the rims, I'm not so sure. I love the look in the back, and I'll show you here. But I like to break that up a little bit. So some red and black pinstripe, shiny black. And here's the look underneath. It's got a real wide stance. And actually in person it looks a lot wider than I'm probably showing on the camera. But that's it. 1988 OBS. Good body, new dual exhaust, all that stuff. I just redid the top. It was just all dull, shined it up, stuff like that. So anyway, I appreciate everybody. Like, subscribe, share. Just trying to do a short Friday video. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.